Hello everyone, a new SME IPO is going to hit the market. Let's look for some details. Name of the company is KP Green Engineering Limited. Incorporated in July 2001, KP Green Engineering is engaged in the manufacturing of fabricated and hot dip galvanized steel products. The company's product portfolio includes Lattice Towers Structures, Substation Structures, solar module mounting structures, cable trays, earthing strips, beam crash barriers. The company offers end-to-end solutions by providing in-house fabrication and hot dip galvanizing facilities for custom-made solutions. The company's manufacturing facility, located in Dabhasa, Vadodara, Gujarat, spans 200,000 square ft and is fully equipped with CNC machinery and equipment. IPO opens for subscription on the 15th of March. Offer will close on the 19th of March. Allotment will be on the 20th of March. Listing will be on the 22nd of March. Minimum investment amount required by retail investors is 144,000 rupees. Price band is 136 rupees to 144 rupees per share. Lot size is 1000 shares. Total issue size is 189.50 crore rupees. Fresh issue is 189.50 crore rupees. Listing will be at BSE SME. Object of the issue: Part finance the capital expenditure towards setting up a new manufacturing unit to expand its current production capabilities and expand the current product portfolio. General corporate purposes. Key performance indicator are: return on equity is 29.24%. Return on capital employed is 23.05%. Debt to equity ratio is 1.11. Return on net worth is 25.51%. Price to book value is 11.69. Ahead of the issue opening, the company's shares are commanding a premium of 95 rupees in the unlisted market. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.